Hello, this is assignment of video English midterm project. Without further ado, let's go start to topic number 1. It is introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman Arif. Usually my friends call me Fatur, Atoy, or Pepnoy. But in the other hand, people usually call me Bangtor or Starboy. They said because my appearance. Even now, I'm still confused why they call me like that. Yeah, anyway, I was born in the city of Bandung on 15 February 2005. And now, I am currently 18 years old. I graduated from 15 Senior High School in Bandung. And now, I continue to study at Politeknik Negeri Bandung. At the Politeknik Negeri Bandung, I took the field of Telecommunication Engineering Studies. Because telecommunication engineering graduates are now very much needed, such as network engineer, radio operator, access network engineer, datacom engineer, computer network architect, computer system architect, computer programmer, wireless engineer, and other more. And yeah, I hope in the future I can work in the oil and mining industry as a telecommunication engineering graduate. Beyond all that, I have some interests and hobbies. I'm very interested in various things related to water, such as swimming. Why? Because when I swim, I feel very relief. Yeah. And other hobbies, I like to play games when I have free time like this.
Spike down B. Seek them out. Hawk out. Found one. Blinded. Fireboy's gone. Hawk out. One enemy remaining. Blinded.
And other things I like is listening to music like this.
I have two sides.
I will never let a shawty go and set me up. Only thing I need to know is if you wet enough. I'm talking slick back, gang sipping 40s. You keep playing another day with your shawty. Mismatch piece, that was wet, boy, you know me. Got a lot of love, but you better shake it for me. We play games of love to avoid the depression. We've been here before, and I won't be a victim. But you always in the mood, fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view, yeah.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide, but I can't have you. We're bound to break and my hands are tied.
Anyway, I have one elder brother. He graduated from a college in 2019 and currently work as a photographer and wedding videographer. And both of my parents still healthy. Thanks God. And they still love each other. My mother is a housewife and my father worked as a private employee. And I think that's enough. Thank you. Goodbye. Now, let's move to topic number 2. It is description of people. Hello guys. Now, I will describe someone who is Elon Musk, which is taken based on Elon Musk's books, Tesla, SpaceX, and the quest for a fantastic future. This is a cover of the book and this back cover of the book. Yeah, get started now. In the book, there are several important points. The first point of this book is explore the background of Elon Musk in quite detail, such as origin and family, including that he was born in Pretoria, South Africa, and of South African, Dutch, and Canadian descent. childhood, Elon Musk initially had his early interest in technology, and how he became a passionate reader and prolific researcher even from childhood. Elon Musk's education may include his background in physics and economics at the University of Pretoria, as well as his travel to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States. The book also explains how Elon Musk moved to the United States to pursue the business opportunities and further education at Stanford, but later decided to start a technology company. Elon Musk is told on this book about his experience working in Silicon Valley, creating his first business, and starting his career in the world of technology. Second point, in this book review the founding of its first company, Zip2, and its role in developing X.com, which later became PayPal. After the merger, it also addresses the great success achievement with PayPal. The third point in this book discuss Elon Musk's passion for exploring Mars and founding of SpaceX as his first step in realizing this vision. Fourth point in this book describe how Elon Musk became the leader of Tesla Motors and transformed the automotive industry with high-quality electric cars. And the positive thing I got from this book is, first, this book provides very in-depth detail about Elon Musk's life, both personally and professionally. This includes an explanation of its achievement in the automotive, space, and renewable energy industries. Second one is Ashley Fans for this book is an interesting way, making it an entertaining and alluring read. This book tells the story of Musk's life journey with an alluring narrative. The third one is this book provides a deep insight into technology innovation and Elon Musk's big vision. This makes this book relevant to anyone interested in technological development and the future of energy of space exploration. And the last thing I will discuss is the negative thing I got from this book. The first one, author subjectivity. And some readers may feel that there is element of subjectivity in their approach to Elon Musk. This can affect the objective view of the character. The second one is time irregularity. This book jumps around all the times and even is Elon Musk's life, some readers may find it's difficult to follow the right chronology. The third one, maybe for the last one, this book mainly focus on positive view of Elon Musk and his achievement. Some critics may accept more balance by covering the critical perspective or challenge Musk face. Yeah, maybe that's enough. Thank you guys. Goodbye. And now, let's go to topic number 3. It is description of object. Hello guys, now I will describe my object, which is a cell phone. The category of a cell phone is electronic stuff. Cell phone material in general produced by metal, glass, and plastic material. But this phone, the back is made of glass, and there is anodized aluminum bands around the frame. And this phone has weight less than 200 grams, and the detail weight is 194 grams. This phone has width 2.98 inches and height 5.94 inches, and the depth 0.33 inches. Yeah, this phone has rectangular shape. The surface is quite slippery. The position of each part on the left side, it has 3 buttons, which is used for volume up and volume down, and last mute button right here. This phone has stereo speaker And on the right side, it has one button for on off the cell phone right here. And tray SIM to insert the SIM card into the phone right here. On the bottom phone, there are bottom microphone right here, bottom microphone, and bottom speaker right here. And of course, a place to recharge the battery right here. On the top, there are a front microphone, one of them, yeah. And the front camera, it has 12 megapixel. On the back of the phone, there are back microphone right here. It is back microphone and flash and two back camera. 1, 2. The first one is wide camera and second one is ultra wide camera. Both of them have 12 megapixel. And here are the result of the camera that I taken before. This is result of the back camera HD 60 fps. And this is result of the back camera 4K 30 fps. And this is result of the front camera at HD 60 fps. In the inside of the phone, it has battery and capacity battery are 3110 mAh. This cell phone has a storage capacity of 64 gigabytes. 3 camera, 1, 2, 3, and 1 flash at the back of the phone. And it has 3 microphone, 1, 2, 3. That is what makes the sound quality of this phone recording clear and undisturbed. It has one slot SIM card and the other small electronic component inside this phone. Cell phone has a function as a communication tool. Yo, hello. Yeah, okay. And this phone can be used for looking for the news information. Like if you wanna search news information, maybe Palestine and Israel, yeah, you can read it. Yeah. And of course, this phone can be used to play games. And last but not least, can even use for work. Maybe you work editor, so you always use this phone to edit some video or photo. Right here, you can edit this phone. This cell phone is very worth it when you compare to the price because the feature provided are good and the current cell phone price has dropped from the first price of the release, which make his cell phone the most worth it right now in my opinion. And the current price around 7 million rupiah the category 64 gigabytes. Thank you. Goodbye. And the last one, topic number 4, it is description of place. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman Arif and I'm from Bandung. Bandung is capital city of West Java and there are many places to hang out. Example in Lembang. Lembang is Ciwidey and farmhouse and a lot of cozy caves in Bandung and many street food in Bandung. The people are nice. The weather in the morning is quite cold, but the evening is hot. The unique food in Bandung is colenak, batagor, seblak, cuanki, mie kocok Bandung, and the other one. Yeah. The landmark in Bandung is Gedung Sate, which is located in Ponorogo Street. Atmosphere in Bandung is nice and comfortable, but little bit crowded. Means of transportation in Bandung are minibuses, bandros, angkot, motorcycle, cars, and a lot of Gojek like Grab, Maxim, InDrive drivers in Bandung. Geographical, the city is located in the middle of province of West Java and has a fresh temperature of 25.69 degrees Celsius. You can go to Bandung by using the train, land vehicle, or by plane. And this is cinematic of Bandung City that I found.
Time's on your side when you're 6 years young and brave. Hearts beating wild like it's wrong and could never break. Then you meet your first love just to learn a lesson. Guess it's kind of fun in a funny way. Then it gets deeper, you say I'll never leave you, till you get scared and you run away. Remember what I say, you can cry, 'cause your tears are gonna dry. I wouldn't lie, cross my heart and hope to die. I hope you know that I will be here with my shoulder by your side. So cry, you can leave it all behind tonight.
The place I want to go when I grow up is Japan maybe. Why? Because Japan has a rich culture, historical heritage, amazing architecture, beautiful gardens, and various interesting tourist attractions. I want to come to Japan to explore cities like Tokyo and Kyoto, visit temples, cherry blossom gardens, and taste delicious Japanese dishes. And because in Indonesia is no winter and cherry blossom season, so I want to come to Japan to experience both season. And also, Japan is known for traditional art such as martial arts, ikebana. Ikebana is like the art of flower arrangement, Japanese tea, and many more. So I am interested in understanding the studying Japanese culture. Japan is also famous for its delicious dishes such as sushi, ramen, tempura, and many more. And because I really like sushi food and ramen, it makes me want to try to eat in an authentic place that is Japan. Japan also has amazing landscape including volcanoes, forests, and beautiful beaches. And also the technology in Japan is very advanced and many innovative that make me want to see it with my own eyes. And this is another cinematic that I found about Japan. Yeah, that's enough for description of place, so goodbye.